Greetings everyone, welcome back to another one. Today we're going all Ital today, man, vegan style today. So we're going with the Ital stew today and some rice. So we have some squash today. Or you can use pumpkin, it's kind of the same thing. And we got some potato, we got some beans, or different beans, kidney beans. We have chickpeas, all that stuff. So we're just gonna mix up a lot of things today. We got some kale there. We got all different mixtures today, man. So we're just gonna do an Ital one today, All right. Yep. So add our coconut milk. We always have to have a coconut milk in our stew, man. Yeah. We add that. Nice, man. Nice. Make it nice and creamy, man. Lovely. So add some. That's our kale there. That one, we add all these stuff in there because these ones are the one that takes a little while to cook. So these kales are sometimes a little bit chewy, so you have to give them some time to cook. So it's up to you. I mean, if you want it really crunchy and stuff like that, it's all right to just steam it quickly. But when it comes to like the stew like this, you want it to be nice and soft, man. So not chewy, not crunchy, nice and soft. So you leave it in the pot for the first. Put that in the pot first and let that cook down and stuff. Yeah, man, I go with the natural seasoning. You have to have them in there, man. That's where you get all the nice flavors and them aromas lick your nose. It's unreal, man. Yeah, so the onion, garlic, scallion, it's all them things, man. You have to have them. I think I have some rosemary in there as well. I have some rosemary there I put in there before because I had no time, so I just put some rosemary in there. And yeah, man, nice it up, man. Yeah, you see I have my tomatoes, all the bell peppers, different colors, make it nice, man, nice and colorful. I have some mushroom there as well, yeah, man, nice it up, man. Yeah, so I just start wash my rice and thing, I have to wash the rice, man, get it nice and clean. And, I do the shelly rice, how I do it, man. I have to be shelly. Yeah. Yeah, man, get all my beans in. Whatever beans you have, it don't matter. Get them all in there. You know how it goes. Because you're doing a mixed thing today. So everything goes. All vegetable. Hey, turn that pot down. Turn the rice down. As you know, once the water is dried down in the rice, put it on a the slowest settings you have. And let that rice just steam out. So you don't even do nothing else. Once the water dries down, turn it down and let it rise. That's how I get my shelly rice, man. Turn it down, just let it steam, and that's it. You don't need to do nothing more. And just check it every now and then to make sure it don't burn. And that's it. It's good to go, man. So now I check in all my peas, all my beans, whatever you have, butter, bean, red eye, anything. chuck them all in, man. Nice them up. And you know, yeah. And I just season them up, man. Whatever season you have, your preference, just get it nice and nice up it. Season them up and you're good to go, man. Yeah, man, pot a bubble. See it a bubble? Ah, it smells so good, man. Oh, wow. It's crazy. Them natural season is hitting your nose. All the mixtures. Oh, man, it's crazy. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, that's it, man. Look how lovely it looks. Ready to eat. Potlan. Nice, man. Alright, man. I'll see you guys another time. Thank you for watching. Peace out.